come back to Jamaica faster than when go up there.
And the funniest thing, Andrew is the best prime minister that I know of, in my term. And the best prime minister Jamaica ever have, so I don't know what's the problem.
That's why Buju come up on media, come and talk about say this generation and one of them done this generation. True, this generation, I'm going to tell about the generation, yeah. You see the generation, yeah? You can't take nothing fling down them throat and them have to sup it and you don't give them the evidence.
Exactly.
I beat them. And you see through the generation of sister, Andrew the best thing since sliced bread. The whole of the whole hag them have a problem with it.
Yeah, man. But me I tell you something, you know, mama. I'm not going to stop saying this, you know. Now, Rasta not there again, you know. Because when me say all the whole of them, I say them are Rasta farm up and one. If them say them, they are for black history and they are black historians. And when me see them want come show them one white slave master grand picnic. For we, as Rasta, black historians, me know say, them boy, them bow, you know. And I just the truth of the truth, them bow. Them bow in every single way. Them bow both to them both. But them must say Andrew only sell out. Them more than sell out, brother, man. None of them can't tell me no.
Yeah, because I see one say my Rasta. And him have fight with Marcos. So I say, but who you? I say, yeah, Rasta. I'm someone go, man. Who ever come to you say, man, go. If you're going to take Jamaica for your fairy tale land.
You take Jamaica for fool festival. The man can't do no more with my dog. You have the great Jastra, Jesus Christ, Michael Manley. And him never come up in a film brain, no matter how great him great, so Jamaica could be insured from catastrophe like storms, typhoons, hurricanes, all of these things. None of them, not even the great Eddie, my great boss, never think about it.
Eddie never think about it either.
Exactly.
Never think about it. Portia the great Simpson, but I man who they see a thief and the wicked, I didn't think about it, I'm my best.
Think about it.
None of you can tell me nothing. I don't feel like I'm born when my mother there market. I will on the bar with food, I will on the take out L. Lewis, drain out L. Lewis DNA out of the blood, because I don't know sense. Anybody say this money I reverse. Oh no bar and food no mama there now one supermarket a push one challenge. Remember me tell you that. Because none, the unemployment rate 13.8%. Now it's 3.8 going down. It's a good one. And God forbid. You see this disaster will make more people work who are work. Amount of work already there who are work. The unemployment rate supposed to go down by next year. Alright, history. The history of all history. Last month at the lowest murder rate recorded in Jamaica for 23 years. Last month, you know, people on the top of the life, please. You know, so somebody type in a chat answer the live, yeah. Too informative, too much. We are give too much factual information, so them are go report the live, and it happened about 3 times. And that's true, you know. That's true. You say that I'm over here, I mean I cuss people and I give joke and say, I'm not reporting. You know. You say that I come over here with things like these, I get the most report people, believe me to God. Anytime I over here, I don't start trouble people and I laugh. Nobody. My life not get no report. But you see things like these, them not like things like these, bro. Them just wow for us always depend on the liar train. And the truth is just the truth, bro. Jamaica, they're far away from where it was. With under PMP time, Andrew only take out the country out a hole for real. You just go check the facts. Look on the facts. All of the facts they there now on the year, and I'm not talking about who you live right now.
But people don't love read. They don't love read, so that's gonna be a problem. We don't like read.
Before Andrew only take the country, you know, if Jamaica make $100, we still have to go borrow $30 to pay our loan. That means we don't have $1 for ourselves. And right now the man pay the how much percent at 60. Did the 100 add and it's 60 now, don't Lexi? Or 60
Yes, that's correct.
So how much percent man cut it almost in a half, the man cut with that in a half.
And then Mark Bolin go opposing in Parliament and say we are here to get them too fast.
Oh my God.
And we would take some of the money where we are take up here for that, we would take an issue out to people because people in need of cash. But I say what the money really attack and I say because
you know what
if we pay for that faster, and the more money we are gonna have in our kitty to aid people better. So we now have to look back to IMF.
You know what the next
Oh,
lie
the
was
people
to see them
for what
tell?
people so. But I like
But the
what people
next-
know, what people we can't sleep. Maybe that's time it's a torment at night time. Cause you know say my generation that are 60%. So me I will about people when me have. Because they might come inherit it.
Somebody can shed some light on this because this is the next false news me hear this morning. Wish me see it because me a person me used to work with, so send video come give me. Second original hospital blow down. The building when them a work on, and that is not true. And all this woman, mama son has tell them how the whole hospital blow down and all type of foolishness.
Yes.
From the live and scrub live this morning. The hospital that get damaged, the part that get damaged at Canary Regional Hospital is the triage area, the emergency area, where they build up because of COVID and because of the old building where they're working on, they build up that area. We have like accident and emergency. All right, there so the top blow off. The other buildings are okay. She said the whole hospital blow down.
Lexi, so she know you was a while ago, Lexi. She know you was a while ago.
Tell her.
She said there is nothing that is real you can say. For mama, for that the cross, everything call her name. For that they hug there. Have nothing good to say. So it don't make sense. You could have put her in a black, pink and white. That the can't shit there. I go pour for now. I want to put down the long. I have to put down the government. That they all
The woman come out and tell lies to the government once.
So you know, make sense to nothing about that they big out to a hang.
Wow.
She come out and tell us that the government has sell generator them, and all when the truth come out, she still go like she right, and the government has say a lie. Believe me, she said the government get the generator big old and I tell Andrew his boy all his mother. You know what? But she tell her, my uncle called me from Canada. Day before yesterday, my uncle said Jamaicans are the most ungratefulest people for her. Yeah, me I tell you, man, tell me say right, man might feel like Canada. The man might feel like say true Canada. Man say right now Canada people are Canada suffer like dog. The man say we have a prime minister try. Man say imagine we don't have a prime minister trying. Each time when I come down there, the place looks so different and nice, and everything is going up. I say, I wonder if these people know about a category 5 star. My uncle is 70 a day old and the man can tell you how much country category 5 ever hit. Jamaica is one of the first country category 5 ever hit.
That amount, that speed, exactly.
And I want 70 a day old man that can say that. So yes, what I say? Out of 3, don't.
Out of 3 with that speed. And Jamaica one of them out of the 3.
So them some me tell you say them people here them just talk and them come and say them are the brightest, but more wonder I want to them brain.
I live in America, and the other day I was driving, and the line I see for the food for the poor line, people joining line, I couldn't believe. So people make it look like say only Jamaica suffer.
You go say them ungrateful out here because the things they hear them tell the Prime Minister say, man say you could never do that in Canada. You could never. If you try that, you're going home. Man say the things that when the man say the man a try because my uncle come out here almost every year, you know. You see me? And every year when him come here, him take different airport. If him come a town, him a come a mobile the next time. Because the man try to travel the country and look. And the man said to the way of people they have Jamaica and go on. The man say if you should tell them the unemployment rate in Canada right now, they would say
they wouldn't believe you, exactly. They wouldn't believe.
That man tell me yesterday and I say, man say you're right now all in the winter. The amount of people are gonna die in the winter. Oh my heart bleeds.
From homelessness. Exactly.
Them run up and down on the island if they go on the winter.
Remember in Florida, they might behave like Jamaica, a first world country, and I guess everybody's so Americanized or so big foreignized. Everybody.
No.
Because they not realize so we want to look at that Panama.
No, let me tell you what I'm problem. Them PMP is him. The Michael Manley brainwash.
Yeah.
They want everything come at them hand and them mouth. Them not want to take up the spoon and feed themselves.
Exactly.
That's them problem. Them PMP is him and them Michael Manley brainwash.
I literally see people when it just happened. I see people sitting down with in with the wet clothes. Nobody not even try to find a line to hang up, try to save something. Everybody just sitting down, not try. Oh God, I don't know. It's
Can't tell you, See, Jamaicans, me still I tell them, I don't go set of people, me still live in a fairy tale world. Because them cuss the government, them cuss nothing go on. And me can't tell you the truth. Me a young youth. Young boy, them now want to work. You don't find young boy in a full age of Jamaica want to work more so. I when they put the work in front, them want to left hand. Them a take care money can give them a left work. So what the government can do to help people like those? Tell me the God Almighty.
Nobody trying to help themselves.
And them a blame the government for people like them who no want work, people who no want achieve and make themselves better. And the government get cuss feet, you know. Never see nothing for like them from a barn. And I see it every day. Me there around them. There around people like that every day. And them won't cuss the government. And if me stay Sabu and say, you know, come in, I can't up on a work. Man, I tell me say them not come. Them come in and beg me something. But there are people like them every single day, and the government get blamed for people like those. One time them not come to nothing, or them come, or them reach to a stage in a life where they. You see what I say? And the government get blamed, and a worklessness cause it. Jamaican youth, both the boys and girls, some of them just reluctant and have this fairy tale mind. So one day them are gonna get rich. Not for a woman them, the girl them have it say one rich man go park up in their yard.
Them all get rich.
Not for a boy them have it say them won't get to one phone and make one call, and tomorrow morning they're rich.
Oh, so me alone no want a rich man then.
Me want to be the rich man. Always for me know myself and me want to be the rich man. I want to be able to can take care of myself. I don't know.
That me say to car when time a boy move me no want.
Me not supposed to job. No. People's mindset is so different now. I don't
because
understand.
me have the wrong mindset.
Mindset is so wrong.
Probably if me have the mindset, they made a rich already.
But Lexi, me I tell you something still. You see, girl, them me see have your mindset. And then me see a driver look and wish them in a own house in a scheme, you know. Meanwhile, the girl them we have the next mindset. They still each up in a rent house and still I say a rich man go come take them out. Yeah, and the girl with them we have your mindset. What me tell you say? Me say them a drive them look a wish, or them a pay if you buy a queen to hear them. Oh, I got my house in the scheme. But the other girl them rent kill them. They move from house to house to house to house.
Navi, come here quick there. Come here quick, Navi, come here.
And when they reach one age, then just if they don't find that rich man, then they start have whole heap of picnic and then I government emblem.
Government responsible, yeah.
Let me tell you that me see I go on to Jamaica and it's just the truth. Yo, more opportunity there for woman than man now. Me can't tell you that. And that's why you see more girl a drive. That's why them a talk about, you see girl them in Jamaica top breed. Because most of them, you have a majority of the young girls them, then they on breed. Then they on.
They breed for what? Where? Why? Why?
The girl them a career and opportunity and make themselves be something.
And that a breed me right now.
No girl, not my young girl and I pray for breed out and I get to which part people just lock up and I go out with them foolish. Mama, you know that. And I know all I girl them, because enough girl and I get on them a pre straight same way, you see me?
Yo, Mama tell us something, Sonny. Mama tell us something. If me did breedy, me I tell you say, me wouldn't left my work while they are so comfortable sitting in my yard. And I am food every day. I'll fat me, I get fat. Then when I tell me I feel by myself, I say, no, I need to enroll. Vasi even look for me and tell me, say, yo, Lexi, I need to enroll in our gym. Because I get out and
I agree I'm born in a heart tight, Lexi.
I'm a born in a heart tight. I say, bro, just love me, enjoy life, no? Because sometimes, every time you forget, and every time you forget, listen. You will there work and can't get fat and the minute top work so you just a blow a go away. Bad berries stop blow up on you.
Hey, you know, see Navi, they make Navi explain the thing for you before. You know?
No, me call her up, man. I go to her next. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. You see, if you do not find a way up, you see, if you don't find a way, for say, as in say, for have a youth, and for make a youth come comfortably in this world, I better you leave the picnic which party there. God we understand you. And say, boy, Father God, I have no way to make my baby comfortable. I have this to make my baby comfortable the way all my baby is supposed to be comfortable. Just make my baby go and stay right there and nurture until me ready. When me ready, me shut your prayer and then you send me people come give me. I don't have it. So therefore, I only have it for myself. I don't have it. So therefore, me stay one far away from Pitney. You get what me I say? It's not the fact say me
When I go
know
to school, Alexi, my teacher, 2 is better than 2 minutes. So I have 1 now, and she's 12. So when time God again, yeah, 1 more. 2 is better than 2 many. That
and
me
since
know.
only you get 1 and you struggle with the 1 though.
Yeah, 2 is better because me a father, me and me and a daddy, you see. Daddy
Yeah,
just
me know, but you
father,
get
so.
1 sonny and you struggle with the 1 because you have to say to yourself, say, princess need this and princess need that. And sometimes you cannot find it, give princess.
So, mama, that's why I tell her that 2 is better than 2 many. People, when I think about 2 many of them have a problem. Me have 1 now. Alright, Timor at 12. God, when the next one come, but me not search for it right now. Because me have to search for Timor High School now. You see it?
Thank
And
you.
I think about my daughter to get one good education. So, you can't think about your youth to get one good education and you think about if you have 1 bag of picnic about them taste. You have to make your picnic come up. Me not depend on that.
Last night, my mother-in-law, me and her have a conversation, Sonny, and she say, Lexi, if you get them babies, stop me. If you get them babies, because you know my local charity thing, I mean mostly like look out for the picnic them. You get what I say, Sonny? I mostly look out for the picnic them. And she said, if you get them babies, stop me, Lexi. Oh, it go when you forget your own. I say, I have hand for mine, you know. But not because I have hand for mine, that means I go breed because I can't manage it right now. Not because I know say my family them head over ears and well want me for breed. That means I go breed. And I now go have hand for mine because when I have my one and my pitney. I people in pitney me have. So therefore, me calm myself. But anyways, back to regular programming anyways. Navi, come good.
Good evening.
Sonny!
Sonia, what we need to ask her again?
Sonny! Or go on, Mr. Ross.
Sonny got eye.
Sonia, what we need to ask Navi again?
Yeah, more Navi explain about the cargo thing for it. Please, Navi. With this. You know how the they're supposed to have the full information or most of the information about car. Want people for it, you know?
So when I think a lot of people get it wrong, like when it comes down to the fact say regular shipment is different from a cargo shipment. So even regular shipment, the custom is that you can't open people's stuff without them being there, like when they go down a walk. Yes, them break the protocol, but that is not how it's supposed to be. But when it comes down to a cargo plane, when you load a cargo plane, the pilot has to sign for everything on the plane. So no matter what, the pilot will have, the custom broker will inform the airport that these are the stuff on the flight. So they will create a manifest or a declaration form of all the things that you are bringing in. The pilot will sign it from wherever the pilot is coming from whatever country. The reason being the pilot has to sign it is because if anything illegal comes in, or if anything unsigned that you did not list comes in, the pilot will be fined for it. So basically,
check your system.
The pilot will sign for it, and if anything illegal comes in, the pilot is liable to lose his license because you basically are signed for saying, yes, this is what comes into the country. When it comes into the country now, the same people that load the cargo most times is the same team that unloads the cargo. So anybody who is unloading the cargo, the custom broker would be there because the custom broker is basically your lawyer in logistics. Your custom broker comes, they unload the cargo, and then the custom broker signs for everything. So if you say you have like when they would depend the actual laser post like solar panels tissue. Even though those things will be in a bulk, you still have to say they will be in it. So you just have to say the tissue in there, solar panels, whatever. The custom broker has to make sure that no seals were broken, nothing was tampered with, and when the custom broker censor it, then it moves off the tarmac. When it moves off the tarmac and goes into the person's truck or shipment, the government has nothing to do with it. But once your list is complete, the manifest is complete, and your custom broker censor it, that shows nothing was tampered with, no seals were broken, because that is the custom broker's job. If something was to happen or something was to go missing, then and it is not and it is on the manifest, then yes, you can file a complaint and then we can go and look for it, because we know say it depend it. But in Bojo's case, the things that he said went missing is not on the manifest. So that is where the problem is. You can't claim things that customs that you did not declare. So if you did not declare, meaning it was illegal, or you did try to smuggle something into the country, they will lead to that conclusion. Right now, the conclusion is that the things were never there because you did not put it on your declaration form or your manifest, and they can't find it. So anything you're saying, well, they could have been there from Florida, but the thing is, why didn't you declare it? That's the next thing. So you see, there's holes in the story. If it ain't no way it's going to leave Florida without them doing a list. So
basically, if you never declare, that means it's not yours.
You know, did it? This morning here, somebody make a one rest. No, it can wait. Hear this thing now. Normally, what happens is it can be there. You know, this is how people normally smuggle illegal things into the country. It can be there, but it's not declared. But you know, them would have them operations for make somebody bypass them or something like that. That is the only way. So unless something nobody put in. Yeah, unless
that's why I say it can be there, but them never declare it.
Yes,
it never depend on the manifest. It never depend on the manifest list. So if it's not, if it not depend on your manifest, it's not yours.
But here's what the only thing that Darrell Vaz could have done to basically protect Mr. Boji is by the manifest, and he has nothing like that on the manifest. So yeah, so everybody will give them opinions. Yes, it could have been there, but it's not on the manifest. So the one thing to protect himself, and guys, the manifest is given by the customs broker. So nobody can tamper with it. If you can tamper with it, you have your original copy because you declare your stuff.
Yeah.
So the people matter about AA and all that, that can't happen. Nobody is trying to fraudulent out Mr. Banton. It is the custom broker's job to make sure that everything is declared. It is a custom broker's job to make sure that your operations go smooth. So even if they tamper with the document, your custom broker has the original copy. So nobody knows.
Stick up in. You see, for the people who don't know what manifest mean, it would be like a list. We put it in the way for no one.
It is your receipt. That is your receipt.
Like a receipt. Yeah. See, go ahead now, because you know them people, some of them make stuff like both the box.
Yeah, so somebody was making that point yesterday, so we need to stop use the actual terminology for things and like break it down in that where them can actually understand. So yeah, it's basically a receipt. You know, guys, you know how a receipt works. When you buy stuff and you don't get it, you can go out to the supermarket or the supermarket and say, hey, I did not get this, and you can probably get it or get a refund because you have your receipt. It's important to keep your receipts with you. Keep your receipts.
But Sonny, me hear somebody attack this morning say, the people ain't carry back from
So no such details that anything was found. We just
listen. Based on to my terminology, it's not not have nothing to do with Jamaica government, Jamaican people. If it miss from Florida. That is it. Because it don't depend on the list where you can use and claim it, and when it reaches Jamaica, it wasn't here. We don't see it. So therefore, We don't have nothing to do with it. But you need to go check Florida. Are the people in Jamaica? No one about himself go
But
deal
me
with
I
it.
said it still. Me hear
So,
some people,
you need to
me
go
hear
check
some
them
people. Me hear the people them. Nobody not perfect. But me hear the
Yes,
people them on the internet for money.
I think I
From the
came
other
back to
day,
school and I spoke to you before.
from the other day and them a talk about people rob them and take things out of them things. Alright. Me not perfect, you know. But so now me get the barrel. Me sure no so when them a pull my barrel, me have to go in front the custom them and inspect. Me see everything where them take out.
Yeah.
So me turn up and watch away people them there. Where them how people take out for them, see what them in do. The people them chat them out and them and watch people business. Me no quint. Me no move me eye. If a sweetie come out,
That's
it
how say bar not even supposed to even pull if you're not there. The only way your bar your bar not fi pull. No time if you're not there. If you're not there, your
No
bar not
time.
supposed to
My
pull.
bar pull in
Your
front
bar
me
not
eye.
supposed to strip.
Everything stripped down in front of me. My bar not strip right down because me don't know it. We go in there and say, oh yeah,
Because and this is all my always say people are so unfair and malicious. Because guess why? If you do a door to door, as in you ship it from America but you want it drop in your yard, the bar no pull none at all, you know. And you a pull it. The bar no pull none at all. The customs not going there, none attack. They're not supposed to go in there.
Yeah, it gets something to search, isn't it? Because some cousin them start do it now. Like them push it through the machine and they search it. And
A scan search, it gets scan search to see if it not get an illegal substance in it. And this is me keep and say, oh, the barrel pull and you're not there. Hey, them not hurt up my head, you know, Sonny. Them not make my head hurt me. Them could have bought 3 about Andrew, but Andrew are the best man.
Wagwan Ella Ola, wagwan. I'm glad all people, you see, we have to respect people like all I want on the thing, you know. Because enough of the people that I talk Ella Ola, I know them never ship a barrel come to Jamaica. So people like all of you will understand this process and go through this process. We don't hear them people that talk. We don't say I fool them.
My brother, the thing is that now, I'm an ICI, right? I used to do ICI when I go Panama and buy me thing them. And everything you buy in your thing, you check them and it have a list. When you come and you go to airport, you know, so you have 3 dozen of this, you have 4 dozen of that. You have everything, you know, where in your thing. You understand me? So, it no matter what happen, you can, everything that's on your list. So, you can't lose nothing. And if you lose something, you have to call out for it straight at the airport. Say, well, you did have this, and you show them, say, well, look, there are 6 dozen shots, if you have a 6 dozen of this, may have a 5 dozen of that, and may only have 2 dozen or 3 dozen. And then tell yourself you put in a thing and claim it. All right? Because it depends on the list and it not there. And you go claim to them. So I don't know what happened and what really going with Bojo. But Bojo need to go. Whosoever send off the things them for him have to go find out from them.
That was set to all.
Because it have to everything. If you even send a barrel right now, what you do, you carry them, you lock your barrel, you put on your padlock them, and if them bust your padlock, you can't say, well, you can't say that if they lick it off, if them have to give you a reason why them pull it. What reason and them can go lick it off until you're there. You understand me? If them scan it and then see say something in it illegal, them have to just watch it until when you come and claim the barrel. And then say to you, say you pull the barrel. You understand me? So I can understand what's going on. Cause if I the same thing, if I did the illegal weapon come down in it and thing, them a go hold on pan him until them a go hold the barrel until him come, then clear them hold him. I ask him which part who send them and where them send. So I just can't understand
I always say
going
this
on.
out there. Them can't make me hate this administration no matter how them try. Argument done. So Buju mruko more. Cause a political game him a play. Him can't make me hate this administration anymore.
I don't know what kind of, I don't want to Buju still, but Buju is when Buju was an artist, man, we used to rate him, but for him to abuse him, I don't know. Like him man a lick coke, him man a take it coke to her, then for easy man, then for can't go rehab, him go make him wash out in there. And then I suppose Buju a man detox, too much coke in his system at that time problem. Because every minute this man attack or do something, it cause some problem and him nasty say. From him left from prison and come on road, him is a disaster. The need for a detox and low coke alone. Him a go figure up like lean mouth. Put a hype, you know. If you don't low coke alone, you know. Because Buju nasty say, him does. Each time when him take the coke, him come on the internet with a big outburst. And then I work for him, bro.
My brother. Me think Buju take season play from about 91. Me meet Buju about 91 me meet Buju. And the way me seeing look. A man, Anglo man where do seasons play him look. So you understand me? Alright? Him not eat a pay vegetable, him a eat him food scale, him food coming like you can't believe a big entertainer the way. Them time them just start ras. You understand me? So if I saw it go, I just saw it go. Him need to just do what he have to do and change his lifestyle.
Yeah, bro, because I'm not telling I like, I can't tell you. Remember, so this is one of the artists I have the big way you start the biggest respect in, bro, because he used to be one of the freedom fighter them, you know. You see me? But
yeah, but him lie already because remember now.
Him just change.
Him done lie already, so everybody knows him a lie because you know say you carry things and you're involved. And whatever. You go to prison for 10 years. Stop telling lie, man. Prove it to the people and say you not tell no lie. But everybody that's way say yeah, but you come now and know you prove it, say you're a real liar. You understand me? So you don't know, say you that smuggle the thing. And you come now and you still do all kind of things.
You know, say me I listen to the thing and me I say, alright then Buju. You know, say as an entertainer you come out and you attack against these people, you know these custom people, because people always about say people that thief things out of them.
Yeah.
Alright. I mean I say alright, you give a word to that. But when that mere man left off of that and start cuss the country and cuss and start the head of the stream dirty and bro, you see if I go say that this happened from before my born. If I that way they are go because people say people are thief them a war from what they kill fill up. I know war clean up. One time someone sit now you come through war. If the war the tan said we like one time Jamaica boom down already. So what is under this present administration I wanna play politics and the world know that are the best WAF right now are the best technology WAF ever have, are the best everything. Are the most gun ever find in the history of Jamaica WAF, the most gunshot, the most coke, the most cooking, the most everything when a history ever find a WAF and now. So it's not like before. You see me I say? So when time you come and you put that in a people head now, we are gonna say yes, a long time somebody will step up. But when you gonna say the government them, the head of the stream dirty. So this bro, ease yourself now, Rasta. You do it from Corona, you do too much. Brother, just to give God thanks. You make your own mistake because I see upon the video I taste the coke and I smell the cocaine. And I make you move. And then nobody free me. Are you free yourself? Are you want more than what you make out of music? And are you do your thing and you get catch? So now you come from prison, you know, you have no vendetta against somebody, G. All I will make a mistake in our life. You see me, I will learn from it. And that you feel to pick up the pieces more than each time on a big disaster there in Jamaica. You come make one big fool out of yourself because you do it in a Corona. And now you come again, Rasta. Stop take the coke. Lord, the coke alone, me G. If you feel like people might take it for joke, if you love coke alone, Rasta, me I tell you the truth, the coke and mash you up, bro. You see me? And each, I'm tell them no so them man are terrible, you know. You see if I see them man have them son as a millionaire, US millionaire. I make them youth dead for wants and needs. I know so them money now not hard for nobody. You hear me tell them? And this prove it to me, say, you want different money, brother. You fight for one different cause. You not fight for the cause of the people them like the real Rasta them do. You see me? Because this propaganda where you come out and spread, it never needed. Spice bring in more aid than you. Sean Paul bring in more aid than you. Shaggy bring in more aid than you. Cartel bring in 10 times more aid than you. If everyone, Tyrese bring in more aid than you. All that people are bringing more here than you, G. And nobody not missing, nobody not ball, nobody not even not at all. Everybody come in good and go and do what they're doing. So why? Why are those you? Why are you? Why? That's the word I was saying, no? Would you feel like I'm me alone? Miss Rose, you never think why him alone? Why?
The man, the loot and all, you're not going like I said, boot, you're not going like I said, boot you. I don't know, honorable body, I don't know, body. I'm telling man, you know, see, all the woman, or Rocky boat to the man, as the man come out, the man up and down with that kind of idiot, girl. We're not going to like Buju as some of the man. You see, man, just wicked. Yes, the man just wicked, brother. Yes, the man is just a wicked man, you don't realize that.
Everybody will have sense of that, then sit down and talk. So why him? Everybody come in with more here than him. Everybody, me say everybody, the whole they set to entertain them. Just check for them.
Being man come here with the water. People then stand up there and you alone come. And like I said, you sitting and come to WAF, what's the well you know did it. You come as a cargo where you get what you send. And just full of shit.
Never see nothing like this and I hit everybody sitting and talk. Oh, the real fast pay them and them this them make them friend them got thief him and thing through the brother.
All the people do play politics with the disaster. Them play politics with disaster.
Hey, Mr. Rose, you see yesterday went down go down so. You can't tell her this. You hear me telling them I feel like a joke. I want to make tell the whole Jamaica. I make it MP them and the council them are robbery blind. And Jones get the whole bad name. Because enough of them boy, they will collect them millions there next time. They don't do nothing at all. See it with my 2 eye. Now do nothing for people.
When I somebody else to you say, I first then see even nobody come give you nothing.
First. Cause I guess on Miss Rose, the people them who are going to go get here, they don't stop writing and make like town and who run come get where they get and who. You see me? So them people, I just the little ear. Go drop to them and them not get nothing more than that. You see it, so you see like one tank of water, 10,000 like people they say that come from 5 to 10, you know.
Yeah man.
People must say they're not a politician. Go on one expert boy. I want to make you tell them. You know buy seat. You should allow it. Jesus Christ. I'm not even talk about our Satan. Yo. Why I wanna do it? I wanna win this constituency and abandon them in a time like this. I wanna just come like the people and so on and just pop up and give them some talk and gone. Pop up and give them some talk and gone. And I wanna carry the aid them come. If aid come in, the soldier them are, you know, them say what's your name? Zulu so just come one time and bring in some aid. And then I see her but from that. Then them talk about the one named Vaz, Satan. Then so on to these people from Westmoreland. Why? What are these MPs and these councillors doing? Because the people are down there suffering and robbing people and blind. We want to do this. We want to do the 15 million. We want to do the 10 million matter of fact where Andrew is going after his time. We want to do it. What want to do? But I sit down and cuss and Jones. So I go and cuss and Jones and make them thief in council and MP, thief and rob man. And people them must suffer. So as we go see one man, you know, so the man wife can go show with the man, and you know, so the man have strokes about 5 years now, you know? And not all stopping and chop all in them put over the house, stop sit down like, yo, Shah Jagad, imagine. The people don't see nobody from the storm, no MP nor no councillor. Just imagine that. No MP, no councillor, right in a little part down there. So people, see if I tell them most of you, see if you don't have the hard fit, all who can do it, they got the people them where they are foreign, because you more love on the country more than the people them who there, because for who there who live on the soil, them just sit down and chat and them not do nothing, them not even just say, yo, you know, I'm going to drive out and see you down south. You see me? Because you see some part of St. Elizabeth when me hear them say mash up, which part of Jabasa say mash up, them place them mash up. So them place them mash up, the most part of St. Elizabeth them which part mash up, are down to. Which part we go yesterday? Treasure Beach side, I don't know them side them mash up the most. But the part them when me hear people come on TikTok and a chat about, most of them part they get back a light already. You hear me tell her? I don't know, joke thing.